Now Mom's getting a bite. She'll probably get him. He was pretty strong.
When I thrown it out for you, you had me set it too.
Let me do catch it for you too.
Ha ha ha. And I didn't ask you to, you wanted to, so I let you.
I think he might have took the chicken off of that. Is he? He might be swallowing it.
I will get him.
We try. These toys. You got a bite? Fill up quick, Mom.
Is he still after it, or is that the wind? I think he gave up. Sarah's looking for Chinese fish. She's got shrimp on her pole. I just went with worm way out there. Mom's got chicken. Chris, I'm not sure what he's got. Maybe even nothing on him. There ain't no telling.
He's too busy taking selfies.
He's doing selfies. Hey, Legan. You want to get chiggers?
Get out of them weeds. Get away from
So we're going to see who starts out with the first fish. We got a race. Sarah's bells were ringing. Mom's pole's moving. Mine ain't doing nothing.
Mine's bigger. It's making my bell ring.
Yeah, Sarah's got a cowbell on hers. Show everybody your cowbell. Look here. This is the bell she puts on hers.
I want to hear it.
It's a good chance we may be on the fishing 411 because we're around Granite Rock and Sarah's deaf. So she has a disability in Granite Rock. She'll be missing tonight. And something was over there busting down trees. We don't even know what that was. Nobody's going to get to jerk, are they? Well, maybe next time. We're going to get a little bit of rain here in a minute. Hear the thunder.
Then I have to leave too, I'm going to be pissed. I can't.
Got a wall cloud over the lake. Coming right at us.
Yeah, it is.
Sarah's a little nervous of this wall cloud.
Right over there.
Connor just called and checked on me. I told him we're fine. Hopefully, I think it's going to go north of us. So we parked over here down in the field in the trees to kind of get out of the air. Had some pretty good wall cloud coming. We got Sarah here, the bragger. She pulled her pole in about 45 minutes ago. But there's some people back behind us fishing down at the lake. Back over there. Back in here's where Chris will probably fish here in a little bit, I'm guessing.
Most likely.
Those people leave. Chris had a good fish on over there. But I talked to a friend of mine and she said it's going to pass, so we're going to try to wait this out. Just let it all pass on through. The clouds are going pretty good. They got some good ruffles in them, don't they?
Yeah.
Clouds good.
They're dark there and trying to take a picture, you can't, they don't do it justice.
Yeah, the camera's lighting it up. They are dark. And they're kind of, they got a little circulation in them. This storm's actually moving opposite of the line of storm.
Look, now it's starting to change a little bit.
It's starting to move around, so we'll see what's going to happen. Been getting a lot of wind. We're down below the field right now, though, so we're out of the wind. Heavy rain right now. Most of the wind is past. We had some pretty strong wind a little bit ago, probably close to 70 mile an hour, like they were saying. So I think we're okay. Just got to watch the water level that it don't rise on us down here. Other than that, I think we're good. Back to fishing after this, I guess.